Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Now we are continuing journal to ledger we have posted. From the ledger balance we're gonna record in the, that is summarizing in the trial balance. What is accounting? Analyzing, identifying, recording, analyzing the transactions, identifying and recording the journal entry, right? Recording, reporting, that is we have from ledger journal entries to ledger we have posted, and we need to summarize from ledger balances to trial balance. We need to summarize and reporting, right? After one summarize trial balance, then from the based on the trial balance and some adjustment at the month end or year end or quarter end, financial account, financial statement, that is a profit and loss account balance sheet will be preparing by the company. Let's understand until trial balance now. In the future I will gonna explain based on the trial balance and adjustment how to prepare the P&L account more meaningful way. When I say more meaningful way, each and every element how will impact the profit, capital, asset, liability, current liability. So each and every element I will want to explain in details when I'm explaining about profit and loss account and the balance sheet. Let's regard the trial balance. Now we have posted the journal entries to ledgers to trial balance. Trial balance pro forma, just a serial number, particulars, debit, credit. That is whose books it is, Mr. Bala trial balance as on 31st March 2005. Now, how to summarize the ledger balance? Why we need to prepare a trial balance? To know the arithmetical accuracy. What is arithmetical accuracy? Based on the business transactions is given, and you have written the journal entries, and based on journal entry you have written your posted to ledger, that ledger posted balance is accurately posted or not. To know that, trial balance is summarizing. Based on the trial balance, based on the updating the summary from the ledger balance to trial balance, you will get to know whether it is accurately matching or not. That means my total debit, my total credit should be match. Why? Each and every business transaction there is a two aspect debit, each debit have credit, vice versa. And hence, to know the arithmetical accuracy, trial balance we are preparing, we are means entity, right? Let's record to summarize the balances. How to summarize the balances? Just now we have prepared, right? Posted the ledgers. What is my for example, Bala capital account, what is the closing balance in April past? Credit balance of 10,000. What is this ledger? All the ledger balance. What is the trial balance mean? Trial balance is a summary of all the ledger balance is called trial balance. To know the arithmetical accuracy, whether you have recorded or not, right, correctly or not, right? That way, what I say, trial balance is a summary of all ledger balance. This Mr. Bala's capital account, how much? 10,000 credit balance. Record it. Capital account, first one, capital. Which balance? Credit balance, 10,000. First one is done. Cash account. Cash account, which balance? Debit balance. Right? This is a closing balance of my cash ledger. Second one, no, date is not required here. Cash. 9,675. 9,675. The other one, purchases, debit balance 5,000. 3 purchases, 5,000 debit balance. Next one, sales is the always credit balance 9,300. Fourth one, sales credit balance 9,300. If sales returns, which balance it is? Credit balance, right? Fifth one, which one? Purchase returns. Purchase returns. how much it is? 3000. Credit balance 300, sorry. And then sales return, debit balance 100. 61 sales returns 100 debit balance. In the real time work experience, that's what one must understood. When the particular ledger is showing the a different or particular ERP, you should be identify. For example, if the sales purchase ledger, that should always have a debit balance. If the sales ledger always should have a credit balance. If the debit balance is showing, means there is a something is fishy, you need to validate as a accountant. For example, sales returns always should have a debit balance. If something is wrong, you need to investigate whether the journal entries are posted or not. You need to verify, right? That is the meaning of ledger. Why be a debit credit, right? Understand that, please. Motto account is a debit balance. Seventh one, Motto, how much? 4200. Mr. M account is a closed, right? There is no closing balance. Whatever is paid to Mr. M, it is equal, right? There are three transactions, it is equal. The ledger is closed. There is no ending balance, closing balance, no closing balance, and hence it is not carry forward to next period. In the same month, March only it has closed. So Mr. M ledger balance is not required to post into trial balance. Commission is a credit balance, because that is income, always credit balance. Commission received. So there are two types of commission. Either company can pay the commission, company can receive the commission. It is a receivable, and hence is the credit. Record it. 50 rupees 81. Commission 50. Commission always receivable as a 50. Credit balance, that's where you need to understand while doing the reconciliation as well. Ledger reconciliation, GL to sub ledger reconciliation. Stationery expenses, debit balance. Stationery 75. Salary is a 300. Salary 300. Wages, closing balance 200. Electricity, last one. Electricity, how much? 100. Now if I give a calculate, my both debit and credit should be match. Otherwise, if it is not matching, something is wrong. That we need to verify. 9675 plus 5000 plus 100 plus 4200 plus 75 rupees plus 300 plus 200. 200 plus 100 is equal to 19,650 rupees my debit balance. Let's add 10,000, 9,300, 300, 50 rupees, 19,650. Very good, it is matching. That means all the journal entries what we have recorded earlier from journal to ledger posted is accurately correct, and the ledger to summarized in the trial balance, which are showing my debit and credit is equal to equal, and hence this is the correct. Based on the real-time examples, when company is preparing a financial account based on the trial balance with required adjustment, financial statement, that is profit and loss account, and balance it will prepare for particular accounting period. That example I will gonna explain in the upcoming classes in the detailed manner. As I mentioned, with each and every element which are showing the financial statement, I will gonna explain in detail with a more meaningful way. Please do watch my videos with regularly so that you will gain the knowledge. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like it. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye. Take care.